Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to the channel Pharmapedia Academy. And from today we are going to start the antibacterial agent. So today the first drug in the antibacterial agent, as you can see, is the benzyl penicillin, which is also known as the penicillin G. So here you can see the peptidoglycan synthesis and the site of the action. Benzyl penicillin basically inhibit the peptidoglycan synthesis, which is the essential for the replication of bacteria in the host cell. So here you can see acetyl murmuric acid M with the side chain of the 5 amino acids is attached to a larger carrier lipid by the pyrophosphate bridge and tow across the membrane. And in the left hand side below you can see the box. N-acetyl glucosamine G is attached as our 5-glycine residue. This is the basic building block of the peptidoglycan. So the benzyl penicillin basically inhibit this step, so ultimately the peptidoglycan synthesis inhibit. So on the outside the building block is enzymatically linked to a acceptor. By the arrow you can see the acceptor here shown as a small section of the preformed peptidoglycan. There is then cross-linking between the side chain, the hydrolytic removal of one of the 5 amino acid providing the energy. So the beta-lactams inhibit the cross-linking. Here you can see the actions. It is a bactericidal in nature and interfere with the cell wall synthesis in the dividing bacteria, as I described previously. If we talk about this basic mechanism of action, as you can see previously in the last picture, it bind to and inhibit the enzyme that cross-link the peptide chain of the newly formed building block to the peptidoglycan cell wall backbone. Now if we talk about some tip points of the benzyl penicillin, it inactivated by the bacterial beta lactamase, so it must be given with any beta lactamase inhibitor. Now if we talk about its kinetics, it can be given by the IM or IV. It passes into the all body fluid, crosses the placenta, but not the blood brain barrier unless the meningitis the meninges are inflamed, like in the condition of the meningitis, that exactly I want to say. So it is excreted in the urine and blocked by the probenecid. The less active phenoxymethyl penicillin can be given orally. Its clinical use include the staphylococcal, gonococcal, meningococcal infections, and its major clinical use, as you can see in the last, that is a gas gangrene. So its resistant pattern, staphylococcus are generally resistant mainly because they produce the beta lactamase, obviously because it is inactivated by the bacterial beta lactamase, and some pneumococci, meningococci, gonococci have decreased sensitivity. Its major adverse effect including the hypersensitivity reaction, which is the major ADR of all the penicillins, like the rashes, urticaria, angioedema, fever, and etc. So that's all from this drug. Inshallah meet with the new drug with the new topic in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.